Hey friends, this is Atif Opirvan and welcome to the episode on Zcash. In my previous video, Zcash, I was showing you that it has broken out another rising wedge pattern on the daily time frame chart, and this was the breakout. And after that, it was struggling to break out a very long-term uptrend line resistance. Now you can see that finally we have broken out that resistance. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this resistance was found here in the month of May 2024. We got rejection here, rejection here and recently, you can see that once again, it was rejected. Let me show you on the daily time frame chart, then it will be visible. You can see that here we got few more rejection, and finally we have broken out this resistance. And now this uptrend line resistance can act as a support for the price line of Zcash. Before that, we have been following this huge breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. And in today's video, we will once again take a look at this move. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for Zcash that I shared a few days ago on 28th of October 2025. And so far, this signal has produced almost more than 78%, very massive pump. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of October 2025 in the video's description. You can also visit that report as well. Now let's start analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Zcash that I shared on 28th of October 2025. And that was a bullish bad move that Zcash completed on a 2-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was the complete trade setup, buying on, sell targets on, and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price on of Zcash started a nice reversal. First, it dropped slightly down, then this potential reversal line, then read the sell targets on here. Then we had a bigger pump. And before that, we caught almost 676%, very massive pump. And this move I shared on 19th of September 2025. And this was a bullish garden move that Zcash completed with Bitcoin pair. It was completing, in fact, the final leg on the daily time frame chart. And this was the complete trade setup. It binds on, sell targets on, and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price then dropped more down and the binds on here. Then we had a very massive reversal and it rallied almost 676%. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let's move to the live chart of Zcash. And first of all, I'm going to show you the daily time frame. And here you can see that recently we have broken out this rising wedge pattern. By the way, previously we broke out this huge falling wedge pattern on the 7-day time frame chart. And after that, I've been telling you in my previous videos that target will be somewhere between $400 to $500. And you can see that so far the price has rallied up to $567 dollars. Now, recently we have also broken out this long-term uptrend line resistance as well that can now act as a long-term support for the price line of Zcash. Now, if you take a look at the target for the breakout from this recent rising wedge pattern, that target from this breakout is, by the way, here that is approximately at $780. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.